Yes, a ground fault circuit interrupter receptacle can be installed on a circuit protected by an arc fault circuit interrupter breaker. However, carefully follow the manufacturer's instructions. If unsure of compatibility, consult a qualified electrician. Arc fault circuit interrupter circuits are tested using a specially designed test instrument called an arc fault circuit interrupter tester. This tester simulates different types of electrical arcs and faults that the arc fault circuit interrupter should detect and interrupt. The test involves connecting the tester to the circuit and performing a series of tests. The tester generates different types of electrical arcs and faults. These include series arcing, parallel arcing, and ground fault arcing. Firstly, series arcing occurs when current flows through abnormally high resistance in the circuit. This causes the wires to overheat and arc. Secondly, parallel arcing occurs when current flows between two conductive surfaces not intended to be connected, such as bare wires. Thirdly, ground fault arcing occurs when current flows through an unintended path to ground, such as through damaged wire insulation. If the arc fault circuit interrupter circuit breaker detects any of these arcs or faults, it will trip and interrupt power to the circuit. The arc fault circuit interrupter tester verifies that the arc fault circuit interrupter circuit breaker functions properly. It does so by simulating these faults and ensuring the breaker trips as it should. An arc fault circuit interrupter is a circuit breaker that protects against fires caused by electrical arcing. Arcing is a dangerous electrical fault that can occur when damaged, loose, or corroded wiring creates an unintended electrical discharge. These arcs generate intense heat that can ignite surrounding materials, leading to a fire. Arc fault circuit interrupters are designed to detect these dangerous arcing conditions and quickly shut off the power to the circuit, preventing a fire from starting. Ground fault circuit interrupters protect people from electrical shock. Ground faults occur when electricity flows through an unintended path to ground, such as through a person's body. Ground fault circuit interrupters quickly interrupt the flow of electricity when a ground fault is detected, preventing serious injury or death. Ground fault circuit interrupters are commonly found in areas where water is present, such as bathrooms, kitchens, and outdoor receptacles. Several types of arc fault circuit interrupters exist. Branch/feeder arc fault circuit interrupters protect the entire branch circuit from the breaker to the last receptacle on the circuit. Combination arc fault circuit interrupters provide broader protection, detecting both series and parallel arcs. Outlet arc fault circuit interrupters are installed at specific outlets to protect against arcing faults at that location. Combination arc fault circuit interrupters are the most common type and offer the most comprehensive protection. Regular testing of arc fault circuit interrupters and ground fault circuit interrupters is crucial to ensure they are functioning correctly. Arc fault circuit interrupters can be tested using a test button on the breaker or a dedicated arc fault circuit interrupter tester. Ground fault circuit interrupters have a test and reset button on the receptacle. Pressing the test button simulates a fault, causing the device to trip. The reset button restores power to the circuit. The National Electrical Code, otherwise known as NEC, requires arc fault circuit interrupter protection in many areas of the home, including bedrooms, living rooms, and dining rooms. The NEC also specifies where ground fault circuit interrupters are required, such as in bathrooms, kitchens, and outdoor locations. Check local codes for specific requirements in your area. When installing arc fault circuit interrupters and ground fault circuit interrupters, it is essential to follow the manufacturer's instructions and all applicable electrical codes. If you are not comfortable working with electricity, hire a qualified electrician to perform the installation. A proper installation can create a safety hazard. Several benefits exist for arc fault circuit interrupters. Arc fault circuit interrupters significantly reduce the risk of electrical fires by detecting and interrupting dangerous arcing faults. Arc fault circuit interrupters provide enhanced protection for your home and family. Arc fault circuit interrupters are a valuable safety device that can help prevent electrical fires and protect lives. Ground fault circuit interrupters also have several benefits. Ground fault circuit interrupters prevent electrical shock by quickly interrupting the flow of electricity during a ground fault. Ground fault circuit interrupters can save lives and prevent serious injuries. Ground fault circuit interrupters are an essential safety feature in any home. When troubleshooting arc fault circuit interrupters and ground fault circuit interrupters, several things can be looked at. If an arc fault circuit interrupter trips frequently, investigate the circuit for potential arcing faults, such as loose connections or damaged wiring. If a ground fault circuit interrupter trips frequently, check for ground faults, such as damaged insulation or water intrusion. Consult a qualified electrician if you cannot identify or resolve the issue. Arc fault circuit interrupters and ground fault circuit interrupters are important safety devices that protect against electrical fires and shocks. Regular testing and proper installation are essential to ensure they function correctly. If you have any questions or concerns about electrical safety, consult a qualified electrician. Arc fault circuit interrupters and ground fault circuit interrupters are designed to work independently, addressing different types of electrical faults. While an arc fault circuit interrupter protects against arcing, a ground fault circuit interrupter protects against ground faults. Installing both provides comprehensive protection for your electrical system. When selecting an arc fault circuit interrupter or ground fault circuit interrupter, consider the specific requirements of the circuit and the area where it will be installed. Arc fault circuit interrupters are typically rated for 15 amps or 20 amps, while ground fault circuit interrupters are rated for 15 amps, 20 amps, or 30 amps. Choose a device with the appropriate rating for the circuit. Electrical codes require specific types of arc fault circuit interrupters and ground fault circuit interrupters in certain locations. For example, combination arc fault circuit interrupters are required in most new construction, while ground fault circuit interrupters are required in bathrooms, kitchens, and outdoor locations. Consult local codes for specific requirements in your area. Proper wiring is essential for arc fault circuit interrupters and ground fault circuit interrupters to function correctly. Ensure that the wiring is properly sized and connected, and that all connections are tight. Use appropriate wiring methods for the location, such as using weather-resistant wiring for outdoor installations. Regular inspection of electrical systems can help identify potential problems before they become safety hazards. Look for signs of damage, such as frayed wiring, cracked receptacles, or loose connections. Schedule regular electrical inspections by a qualified electrician to ensure your electrical system is safe and up to code. Several common misconceptions exist about arc fault circuit interrupters and ground fault circuit interrupters. One misconception is that arc fault circuit interrupters are only necessary in older homes. While older homes may be more susceptible to arcing faults, arc fault circuit interrupters are recommended for all homes to provide enhanced protection against electrical fires. Another misconception is that ground fault circuit interrupters are only necessary in wet locations. While ground fault circuit interrupters are required in wet locations, they are also recommended in other areas of the home where electrical shock hazards may exist. Arc fault circuit interrupters and ground fault circuit interrupters are valuable safety devices that can help prevent electrical fires and shocks. Regular testing, proper installation, and adherence to electrical codes are essential to ensure they function correctly. If you have any questions or concerns about electrical safety, consult a qualified electrician. Here is some additional information. It is worth mentioning that the technology behind arc fault circuit interrupters and ground fault circuit interrupters is constantly evolving. Newer models may offer improved performance, enhanced features, and greater reliability. Stay informed about the latest advancements in electrical safety technology to ensure you are using the best possible protection for your home and family. Many resources are available to help you learn more about arc fault circuit interrupters and ground fault circuit interrupters. The Electrical Safety Foundation International, known as AFCI, is a non-profit organization dedicated to promoting electrical safety. The AFCI website offers a wealth of information on arc fault circuit interrupters, ground fault circuit interrupters, and other electrical safety topics. Your local utility company may also offer resources and information on electrical safety. Check their website or contact them directly for more information. Investing in electrical safety is one of the best things you can do to protect your home and family. Arc fault circuit interrupters and ground fault circuit interrupters are essential components of a safe electrical system. Take the time to learn about these devices and ensure they are properly installed and maintained. Remember, electrical safety is everyone's responsibility. By taking simple precautions and staying informed, you can help prevent electrical fires and shocks and keep your home and family safe. In summary, the answer is yes. You can install a ground fault circuit interrupter receptacle on a circuit protected by an arc fault circuit interrupter breaker. Arc fault circuit interrupters are tested using an arc fault circuit interrupter tester to simulate different types of electrical arcs and faults. These tests ensure the arc fault circuit interrupter breaker trips as it should, confirming its proper function. This combination of devices, when correctly installed and maintained, enhances electrical safety by protecting against both arcing faults and ground faults. Always prioritize safety and consult with a qualified electrician if you have any doubts or concerns about your electrical system. It's also important to understand the differences between series arcing, parallel arcing, and ground fault arcing, as each type of fault presents a unique hazard. Series arcing, as mentioned earlier, occurs when current flows through an abnormally high resistance in the circuit, causing wires to overheat and potentially ignite surrounding materials. Parallel arcing happens when current jumps between two conductors that are not properly insulated from each other, creating a spark or arc that can also lead to a fire. Ground fault arcing involves current flowing through an unintended path to ground, which can not only cause a fire but also pose a significant risk of electric shock. By understanding these different types of faults and how arc fault circuit interrupters and ground fault circuit interrupters respond to them, you can better appreciate the importance of these safety devices in protecting your home and family. Remember to regularly test your ground fault circuit interrupters using the test and reset buttons and the receptacle. This simple test confirms that the device is still functioning correctly and will trip in the event of a ground fault. Arc fault circuit interrupters should also be tested periodically using a specialized tester, as mentioned previously. While you can visually inspect your electrical system for signs of damage or wear, it's always best to consult with a qualified electrician for a comprehensive inspection. They can identify potential problems that may not be visible to the untrained eye and ensure that your electrical system is safe and up to code.